Hello, my name is Yusuf. I am from Premium Choice Foodstuff Trading. Today I am going to tell you about breader and marination. We have number one quality in this industry. Are you facing a consistency in quality or lack of supply in this variants, or you are getting the desired taste you wanted? We have a solution for that. So if you want any related inquiries regarding this, regarding roasted or burger, we have a solution for that. You can get in touch with us for a demonstration, or we can come and show you the demonstration at your place. Mainly we have three variants of breading, two variants of breading in this: regular breader and Cajun breading. And in marinade we have spicy marinade, regular marinade, tandoori marinade, peri peri marinade. And in seasonings we have peri peri, Cajun, tandoori tikka seasonings, chili garlic, cheese sprinkler. Different variants we have it to make, in order to make a different dip or sauce, or you can sprinkle it over. So we have a lot of variants of spices and specialty spices and marinades for your roasted chicken or grill marinade purpose. Thank you very much.